How to upload video on TikTok from gallery. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you upload video on TikTok from your gallery. So let's get started. On this process, at first you will have to open the application TikTok with your account. Alright, so after you open the TikTok, you'll got such interface. So from your, you'll have to just tap on the plus icon just at the bottom of your screen. So simply tap on that plus icon. Alright, so from this interface, you'll have to just tap on the option gallery just at the bottom right corner. Okay, so from this interface, you'll have to choose for the video whom you want to add on TikTok. So I will choose this one. Alright, so after you choose it, tap on next just at the bottom right corner. Okay, so after you add it, you'll got such interface. So from your, you'll have to just tap on the option next just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from this section, you can easily set or add your caption or hashtag from here. And after you complete all of the settings from here, you'll have to just tap on the option post just at the bottom right corner. And after you tap on that, you can easily add or post your video on your TikTok account from your gallery. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.